Welcome back. In this video, I will show how to connect a custom domain to GitHub Pages step by step. First, go to your domain provider and select the domain that you want to connect. Then open the DNS management settings. Now, delete the old DNS records, just like shown in the video. Next, go to GitHub and make sure you have your project ready with an index file. If you don't know how to create one, I've already made a video on that, check it out on my channel. After that, open your repository settings, and click on Pages. You'll see that your site is already running on a GitHub domain. Scroll down and click on Configure Custom Domain. Then select Manage Custom Domain. Then scroll down. Now, copy the DNS details provided by GitHub. Go back to your domain provider, and add a new DNS record. Then select Type as, A and Name as at. In value paste the DNS you have copied. Then save it. Repeat this step for all the required GitHub records. Next, go back again and add another record. Select Type as CNAME in the name, type www in the in value. Add GitHub repo name. And type github.io and shown at the video. Once again check it properly. Then tap on Save. And wait for a moment. After that copy your custom domain. Then go back to GitHub Pages. And paste your custom domain. In GitHub Custom Domain section. Then tap on Save. Then it shows DNS check in progress. Don't worry, it doesn't matter at all. Your custom domain will now be connected. Now, enable Enforce HTTPS to make your site secure. After that, your website will run on HTTPS. Sometimes it may take a few minutes or even hours for HTTPS to activate, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. Finally, open your domain in the browser, and you'll see your site live. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.